go, that One Air 747 off into the late evening sun there. On off to the Far East this evening. Stick with this one as long as we can, so it makes its way off into the distance. Not a bad evening at all for a bit of 747 action. Bit of a condensation on the wings there as it passes through that cloud. I'm passing through 4,000 feet now. And that will continue its journey towards the south this evening. Let's knock off on that one just a minute. There we go, making that left hand turn. This will make it out ahead of schedule for a change. We got 10 minutes or so ahead of schedule this evening. That one just reaching 5,000 feet.